come and take a tour of our house. This is my bedroom. I don't even have to go like this because everything's 360. This is our living room in San Francisco. That's Nancy. Say hello. The beauty in the YouTube channel.
No.
Yeah. And you can come over. This is our hallway. Bathroom is on our left. And then the kitchen is on the right.
Where the magic happens.
Where all the magic happened. And we're going to make... Here. Just walk around here while the video's here, and then we'll see what's like. Oh, Nancy's busy. She's putting stuff away. How interesting. Good. Peach. Peach. A peach. Okay, let's watch this.